Presenting a pre-owned 2020 Audi A6. This four-door sedan has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine with all-wheel drive and a 7-speed double-clutch transmission. This Audi is a great value with less than 50,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 24 miles per gallon in the city and 32 miles per gallon on the highway. Key features include convenience package, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, navigation system, wireless data link, moonroof, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt force limiters, power, door locks, stability control, and traction control.